Alright, now if you have a Samsung Galaxy Watch 7, should you upgrade to Galaxy Watch 9? I have gone through all the specs, compared the details, and my honest advice for you today is simple: do not upgrade. Save your hard-earned money. Let me break down exactly why these two watches are more alike than you think, and why the few upgrades on the Watch 9 might not actually matter for your daily life. Let us start with the design, which is always a huge talking point. The Galaxy Watch 7 features that classic circular design that so many of us love, making it look like a beautiful traditional timepiece. On the other hand, Samsung went with a new squircle shape for the Watch 9. Honestly, this change is totally subjective, and it is a look that might not be liked by everyone. Beyond the shape, the comfort remains exactly the same because the weight has barely changed. For the 40mm models, the Watch 7 is 28.8 grams, while the Watch 9 is just 31.5 grams. On the larger 44mm model, you are looking at 33.8 grams on the Watch 7 versus 34 grams on the Watch 9. When you strap them on, they feel identical. They both also feature a premium sapphire crystal glass front and an aluminum frame. Yes, the Watch 9 technically uses a better version of Armor Aluminum to the original Armor Aluminum on the Watch 7, but in real life, you will absolutely not notice much of a difference in durability. Plus, they both offer the exact same Yamaha STD 810H military grade toughness and IP68 dust and water resistance, letting you submerge them up to 50 meters without a worry. When you turn the screen on, the similarities just keep coming. Both watches give you the exact same display resolution of 480 by 480 pixel with roughly 327 pixels per inch. Under the hood, they both offer 32GB of internal storage, 2GB of RAM. Even when you look at battery, the real-world experience is surprisingly similar. The small 40mm Watch 9 does get a nice 30% bump from a 300mAh to 390mAh battery. However, the larger 44mm Watch 9 goes from 425 to 445mAh, which is only a modest 4.7% increase. But despite these numbers on paper, the day-to-day battery life performance feels pretty much identical between these two generations. Now, let us talk about the actual upgrades on Watch 9 and whether they really matter. The biggest headline is the new Snapdragon Wear Elite chip on the Watch 9, replacing the Exynos W1000 on the Watch 7. It sounds great to finally have a Snapdragon chip in a Galaxy Watch, but in real life, day-to-day scenarios, I did not notice any differences. Whether you are pulling down the quick panel, scrolling through the application drawer, or checking your notifications, the UI is just as fast and fluid on the Watch 7. Maybe the Snapdragon handles the new AI features and future software upgrades a bit better, but for daily performance, they are neck to neck. Another upgrade is the display brightness, which jumps from 2000 nits on the Watch 7 to a massive 3000 nits on the Watch 9. This is a pretty decent upgrade, but ask yourself, do you spend most of your time outdoors under harsh direct sunlight? If not, you can easily live with the 2000 nits on your current watch, which is already pretty bright. Finally, Samsung is pushing their new AI integration and additional health features on the Watch 9 like advanced vitals, heart health and hearing health tracking, which will not be available on the Watch 7. But again, you have to ask yourself if these specific features really matter to you. The Watch 9 is also getting 5 years of software upgrades, which is definitely a plus, but that only matters if you actually plan to wear the exact same watch for the next 5 years. Based on all of this, I would say you can absolutely stick to your Galaxy Watch 7 for at least another year or maybe even 2 years and wait to see what the Watch 10 brings to the table. I'm just trying to save some money for you guys, but you may have a totally different opinion on this. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section below. That's all I have here. Do not forget to download our Volvus wallpaper application. The link for the app is in the description. There are some amazing collections, beautiful wallpapers, video wallpapers, depth clock wallpapers, etc. Do check it out. And while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated with everything Samsung. I will see you in the next one soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.